Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your 1099-B form on Cash App. So this is going to come in handy in case your accountant or tax preparer is requesting that they send you your 1099-B form for tax return season. So let's go ahead and get to it. This is going to be straight and to the point video, so make sure to follow it step by step in order to learn how to retrieve your 1099 form from Cash App. So what we're going to do first is go onto your Cash App account, which is this green and white icon that you see right over here. Now from this page, on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on your profile image. So click on your profile image, and then from here you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Documents. Documents is located between Themes and Support, so go ahead and click on Documents. Now on this page you're going to see different categories for documents. So we have account statements, savings, stocks, Bitcoin, tax returns. Your 1099 form is going to be located under your stocks documents or Bitcoin documents. So if you click on Bitcoin, as you can see, there's no documents yet. We'll notify you once your 1099-B tax documents are available. So if you haven't sold any Bitcoin, you won't see a 1099-B form for that year. So this is actually how to retrieve your 1099-B tax form from Cash App. If you know a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.